Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Twitch chat filters. So let's begin. So once you have successfully logged into your account and for some reason you want to filter the chat for very specific reasons, you do have options. So for example, we're going to click on the stream. It's a Sabathon, okay? It's LumiTuber. I'm just going to mute this. Next, on here on this panel, you have the chat. I mean the live chats, and right here, various settings and options you can interact with. So just click on the gear icon, which is the chat settings. Then you can now go to chat filters. It currently says on, but you can actually do a little bit more filtering around here. So you have enable filtering the chat, which is what we want, and then you can go through each one of this. Okay. So it depends on your preference and how you would like to engage with viewers and especially with the streamer. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.